The courier people who are carrying many goods by just raising their hand to ring the customer doorbell to alert them that they are in front of their house. To lighten the load of the courier people are facing many workloads in this COVID pandemic by delivering the goods to customers in the time that are given to them. This system will help the spread of the virus in the neighborhood area by using the contactless doorbell, which is not pressing any button to ring the doorbell. To ring the doorbell, the guest must stand in front of it and wait for the homeowners to open the door. Finally, this initiative has a positive impact on all groups because it simplifies daily tasks and saves time. In addition, in the current condition of COVID-19, it can be used in a very simple way by recognizing your face without touching anything. As you can see from my project, it offers a variety of services to the elderly and the general public that suffer from carpal tunnel syndrome. We are taking numerous efforts to protect ourselves from the coronavirus during this crisis, but there is a high risk of carelessness, which could result in serious consequences. The goal of this project was to reduce the spread of the virus since when someone enters our home, the first thing they come into contact with is our doorbell, and it's not always possible to sanitize everything in our environment. So why not upgrade our standard doorbell to a contactless IoT doorbell with security system, which eliminates the need for contact and so decreases the risk of infection.